Very good morning, class 6th. So in the last lecture we discussed about the format of the message and we completed one more diary also. I have made you write the diary entry. So in total we have done 2 sample diary entries and I have explained you and we have discussed about the message, format of the message writing. So as I told you earlier also, it's a very short message and they are just written to give the information and urgent news to a person who is not present. So this is usually written on the basis of conversation. Most of the time it is a telephonic conversation or face-to-face conversation, and we leave the message for the person who is not present there. So it is just a short writing skill. So I explained you that how you have to write it. Salutation and signatory and a small message, very short message, which should not exceed the word limit of 50. So today we will discuss about that. Yesterday I have read this for you. मैंने आपके लिए पढ़ा था ये पूरा मैसेज and आपको समझाया भी था that how she has written. So today we are going to write a new message. Okay. So now we'll take one example from your book only. We will take this example, exercise number 1. Given below is the conversation between Lalit and his mother, Miss Gupta. Lalit is about to leave home for his music classes and he leaves a message for his sister. Write a short message in about 50 words. So this is the question you have to write in your notebooks. This question. You mention here the date and day. So today we are going to do the sample message writing number 1. Clear? So we will do this, that is on page number 174. You write down this question and the full conversation also, the full conversation in your notebooks. Okay? And then make a box like this. You have to make a box like this, and in that box we will write the message. Clear? So you write down this and the whole conversation between the Lalit and his mother, and after that we will start writing like this. So today we are going to discuss with this message writing, and it is on the page number 174. The same question which I told you to write down. Make a box like this. Write down in the center top message in capital letters. Then on the left side we will write the date and the time, approximately time. You can judge that that boy is going to leave for the music class at 6:30 p.m. so he'll be leaving around 6, so we can write the approximate time 6 p.m. and then they have not given any name for the sister, so I have just taken any name. I have written Soumya. You can write the name of your choice. You will start writing. I am leaving for my music class and mom has gone to meet her colleague Miss Dipali. Mom has got the guidebook that you wanted and it is on your table. That's it. No extra message to be given, no extra words to be written. It is a short message. So it should not exceed the limit of 50 words. So you will just leave the brief message for the person concerned. So that boy is leaving for the music class, so you will write I am leaving for the music class and mom has gone to meet her colleague Miss Dipali. Mom has got the guidebook that you wanted and it is on your table, and write your name at the bottom. That's it. Finish. Write in your notebooks with me. Come on. I'm holding it like this. Write it down. Write the day, write the date and the time. Then you write the salutation part. You can write the name of your choice, and then you just give the limited message in not more than 50 words, and then you will write your name at the bottom. You can write any name, and if it is not given in the question, you can write any name. But if it is written in the question, you are given the name that you are so and so, so then you have to address by that name also. So you will write that name if it is in the question, and if it is written that his sister's name is so and so, so you will write that name only which is used in the question. But if there are no names, so you can use your names of your choice. So one more we will do this one, exercise number 2. The question is, it is the conversation between the Soumya and Ruchi about the English class that is scheduled on Monday. Ruchi needs to send this information to her best friend Lucy, who is absent today and due to bad health. So write a short message and not more than 50 words. तो आपने ये information पढ़ते हैं हम लोग, और उसके basis पे you have to write a message which should not exceed up to the limit of 50. Soumya and Ruchi. Ruchi, I am worried how Lucy will take the English class test scheduled for Monday. Yes, I am also concerned. She doesn't even know about this test. Soumya, that's right. This is the 3rd consecutive day that she has not come to school. Yes, she has caught a viral fever and the doctor has prescribed her the complete rest. Is there anything we could do for her? Certainly, let's inform her about the test so that she prepares for it while staying at the home. Don't worry, Soumya. I'll inform Lucy about the test. Thanks, Ruchi. Bye. Bye, Soumya. Take care. So this is the conversation, and with this conversation we come to know that Lucy is ill. She is not coming and she has caught the viral fever, and she has not come for the 3 consecutive days. And they are having some English test that is scheduled on for Monday. So Ruchi will inform the Lucy. So how you will write the message? One more I am just discussing it with you, and the next one I will give you the question, and that you will do in your homework. You will write it yourself. Now again you will draw the box, write the message in the top center, write the date, time, approximately I have written 2 p.m. and then write the name Lucy. Clear? These are the points that you have to take care. Message, day, time, and then the salutation part. English class test has been scheduled for Monday. As you are on sick leave, so I informed you. Get well soon, Ruchi. That's it. Because we are not here to write a letter and ask her about the health. We just want to inform her about the important thing which is going to be happen on Monday, or some event or something, conversation or some message. So it should be very concise, and only the immediate message has to be delivered to the person concerned. So it should be very to the point. English class test has been scheduled for Monday. As you are on the sick leave, so I informed you. Get well soon, that's it, and your name at the bottom. So with this, I have you have to write these 2 notices in your grammar notebooks, fair notebooks. You will do this today only, and one I am going to give you for the homework, that you will do it yourself. Is it clear? So I am going to give you the question and you will write the answer. Yes. Write down this question. This one. Rita receives a call from Ravi and her brother's friend to inform him that their cricket practice would not be held that day. Since Amit, Rita's brother, is not at home, she takes the message. However, she too has to rush for her appointment with the doctor. So she leaves a message for Amit, and you are Rita. Now write a message with details of all that you want to convey to Amit. This is your homework, class 6th, and you will do this. In the next lecture, I want all of you to send me the images. Either you can send me tomorrow also. You can send me immediately after that I have given you the homework. You start writing it. It is very easy and the small short message है. आप आराम से फटाफट लिख लेंगे. So I just want that you should send the images to me after writing it in your rough copies. Then we will do in the fair, then in the very next lecture. So this is your homework for tomorrow. Is it clear? तो ये आपने कल मुझे लिख के दिखाना है ये मैसेज रफ कॉपीज़ में, और वो जो 2 मैंने करवाए हैं वो आपने अपनी फेयर कॉपीज़ में कर लेने हैं और उनको रिवाइज कर लेना है. क्लियर टू ऑल? Yes. Now I think we should start with one more lesson of literature. So all of you take out your books. We will start with the lesson in the literature. And this is your homework. Tomorrow positively you send me the images of this.